Birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, joining me in this lovely cake, dressed in the shape of the original love boat, the beautiful Pacific Princess, it's time to sing Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gavin. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Thank you very much. It's once in a lifetime. Can I speak now?
I can say a few words because this is I'm so grateful to God for healing me. I'm grateful for Princess Cruises for taking such good care of me for 25 years. And I'm so grateful to all my friends, and family, and Princess employees for being here today. God bless you, Princess Cruises, and all those that will come. So have a great day, everybody. If you can hate it, you can cry. Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now I'd like to invite you all to enjoy a wonderful lunch prepared by our executive chef, Luc Banaz, and please help us to say thank you to Claudio Marius, who made this amazing cake as well. And also, again, a very happy birthday to our beloved Captain Stupid. Happy birthday, sir.